For some time now, I've been wondering why I cannot get on to my Dropbox folder through Google Chrome. And I tried incognito mode, no problem. I tried another browser, no problem. So what did it come down to? It came down to an extension. So if you're having problems getting into Dropbox and you have installed this extension called dark mode, I don't know why I installed it, but obviously I did. This is the one that I found to give me problems. So I went ahead and turned it off. Now if I refresh it, you can see everything comes up no problem and Dropbox works great. So again, this extension dark mode is the issue, and if you are having problems with other websites, just check and see if you have this extension. And that's the best thing to do, is to go into your extensions, turn it off, all the ones you have, or try one by one and see if that might be the issue, and that could resolve the issue as it has for me. Any questions, let me know. I'll be sure to share other helpful tips as they arise, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.